Most homeowners don't realize this until it's too late. But your home insurance may not actually cover your home anymore. If your insurance hasn't kept up with your home's current value or rebuild cost, you could be underinsured without knowing it. Here's why that matters. Insurance isn't based on what your home could sell for, it's based on what it would cost to rebuild. And rebuild costs have gone up. Labor, materials, permits, and updated building codes all factor in. So, even if you haven't renovated, your replacement cost may be far higher than when your policy was last reviewed. When coverage falls behind, problems show up fast. Claims may only be partially paid. Lenders can flag issues during refinancing. And during a home sale, insurance gap can delay or derail closing when buyers' lenders review the file. This comes up more often when an appraisal is ordered. Appraisals don't just affect price, they often trigger insurance reviews that expose coverage gaps homeowners didn't know existed. That's why I always recommend reviewing insurance every few years after renovations and especially before listing a home. This isn't about paying more, it's about protecting equity, timelines, and leverage. If you're looking for someone who promises the most or rushes the process, I may not be the right fit. But if you want clarity, steady guidance, and a strategy designed to protect outcomes, even when conditions change, that's the standard I bring to every engagement. That's how the work is meant to be done deliberately, responsibly, and without shortcuts. I am Roopa Realtor from Remax Select, your Central Jersey Realtor.